Hi, welcome to my channel.
Health and Sehath.
First aid quiz, questions and answers. For first aid exam. 1. What is the first step in providing first aid? The answer is assess the scene for safety. 2. What is the recommended compression to breath ratio for CPR in adults? The answer is 30 compressions to 2 breaths. 3. What is the correct hand placement for chest compressions during CPR on an adult? The answer is middle of the chest between the nipples. 4. What is the first thing you should do when someone is choking? The answer is perform back blows. 5. How do you recognize the signs of a heart attack? The answer is chest pain or discomfort, shortness of breath, nausea. 6. What is the correct method to control severe bleeding? The answer is apply pressure directly to the wound with a clean cloth or your hand. What is the primary purpose of the recovery position? The answer is maintain an open airway. 8. How should you remove a small embedded object such as a splinter? The answer is use a clean needle to gently lift it out. 9. What should you do if someone is experiencing a seizure? The answer is clear the area around them of any objects that could cause injury. 10. What is the first step in caring for a burn? The answer is apply a cold compress or immerse the burn in cool water. 11. What is the correct technique for using an automated external defibrillator AED? The answer is press the pads firmly on the bare chest as indicated by the AED. 12. What is the recommended treatment for a nosebleed? The answer is pinch the nostrils together and lean forward slightly. 13. What is the correct method to remove a bee stinger? The answer is scrape it off with a credit card or your fingernail. 14. What should you do if someone is experiencing a severe allergic reaction, anaphylaxis? The answer is administer an epinephrine auto-injector if available and call emergency services. 15. What is the correct procedure for removing a tick? The answer is use tweezers to grasp the tick as close to the skin as possible and pull upward with steady pressure. 16. How do you treat a sprained ankle? The answer is elevate the injured limb and apply ice wrapped in a cloth. 17. What is the recommended treatment for a dislocated joint? The answer is immobilize the joint and seek medical attention. 18. What should you do if someone is experiencing a heat stroke? The answer is move them to a cool place, remove excess clothing, and apply cool, wet towels or ice packs. 19. What is the correct technique for administering CPR to an infant? The answer is perform chest compressions with 2 fingers in the center of the chest.
20. How do you treat a minor burn that does not involve broken skin?
The answer is rinse the burn with cold water and cover it with a sterile dressing. 21. What is the recommended treatment for a snake bite? The answer is immobilize the affected limb and seek medical attention immediately. 22. How should you care for a minor cut or wound? The answer is rinse the wound with soap and water, apply an antiseptic ointment, and cover it with a sterile dressing. 23. What is the recommended treatment for a foreign object in the eye? The answer is rinse the eye with water or saline solution to flush out the object. 24. What should you do if someone is experiencing a severe asthma attack? The answer is administer their prescribed inhaler as directed and seek medical help if the symptoms worsen. 25. How should you care for a broken bone or fracture before medical help arrives? The answer is apply a cold compress and immobilize the injured limb with a splint. 26. What should you do if someone is having a diabetic emergency and is conscious? The answer is offer them sugary food or drink to raise their blood sugar levels. 27. How should you care for a person with a suspected neck or spinal injury? The answer is keep their head and neck immobilized and call for medical help immediately. 28. What is the recommended treatment for a jellyfish sting? The answer is apply vinegar or a baking soda paste to the sting area. 29. What should you do if someone is experiencing a severe allergic reaction to an insect bite or sting? The answer is administer an epinephrine auto-injector if available and seek immediate medical attention. 30. What is the correct procedure for helping someone who is having a seizure? The answer is move objects away from them to prevent injury and cushion their head. 31. What is paracetamol? The answer is paracetamol is a commonly used medicine that can help treat pain and reduce a high-temperature fever. 32. What is pulse? The answer is the pulse rate is a measurement of the heart rate or the number of times the heart beats per minute. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.